Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to my morning talk. I'm so excited today, y'all. I'm like overly excited, and the day has not got started yet. I'm overly excited. I think it's maybe 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm here in Chicago. I'm overly excited. Let me tell y'all what I've been doing. I have been sitting here thinking, and you all know I am a thinker. That's what I do. And I yarn too. Okay. I am a thinker. I think. I just think. And I went down my channel and I was watching a lot of my videos, and I'm noticing that I talk about the same thing, a lot of times, but in different ways. And as I sat there thinking, I started to think about what I was thinking about. And the reason why I did this is because I can be very negative at times. When something happens to trigger me to go into a negative state of mind, I'm gone. Yes, me. And people say I'm one of the most positive people that they know, but I still have times and seasons where I go into a negative mindset. And as I sat here thinking, I was trying to figure out what triggers that for me. And you have to really figure that out because it's key to your life. It's key to your destiny. It's key to your happiness. It's key to your purpose. The things that you think about is so important. And a lot of times we don't understand that. We sit and think about why things so bad in our life and all of those negative things. But you creating more and more of that when you continue to think about it. And I know it's hard. And for me, I could explain how hard it is because I've done it already. You know what I mean? I've been there and done it. And sometimes I still do it again, do it now, to be honest. But I'm learning how to control my thinking. And I talk to people on a day-to-day basis. Yesterday I did 4 workshops. That's the I've never done 4 workshops before in one day. But it was a lot. It was a lot for me. It wasn't a lot for me in a negative way. It was a lot for me in a positive way. It was a lot. It was a lot. It was a lot. And it seems to me that people that come to me for advice and help, I already done been through that thing, or I'm going through the thing, or I'm just a little stronger than them in the thing. And I always sit and I think like, wow. But this is what I was thinking today. Years ago, when I suffered from depression, anxiety, suicidal thoughts, that was my fault. Depression is a choice. You choose that by your thinking, your emotions. You can't control your emotions. You can't control your emotions. You can't control your thinking. And when you can't control your thinking, your mind will think whatever it want to think. And if we go back to Satan, Satan comes to steal, kill, and destroy. He comes to steal our peace. Steal it. Your peace of mind. If Satan can steal your peace of mind, he got a hold on you. That kills your joy. That kills every belief that you have in yourself and anything else. It kills it because now you're realizing that you're not where you want to be at. You don't feel good. It's killing you. And in the end, you destroy yourself off of the way you think. And it becomes suicidal. And some people kill themselves. And some people just lose their minds. It's bad. And I sit and think years ago, I used to be sad. I used to be depressed all the time. Wondering why this, how this. Just wondering, just going through hell and high water within myself. I thought positive. See, this is the crazy thing, right? God has always been with me. Even though I went through all of that, God was still with me. God was still speaking to my spirit. But I was stronger in a negative way. I was stronger in the most negative way ever, and that was in my thinking. I knew better. I felt better sometimes, but my thinking wouldn't allow me to act it out. I had faith that things was going to be all right, but faith without works is dead. What is the point? I wasn't doing nothing. I just was laying around thinking negative. Until one day, God told me, I heard it just like clear day. The spirit was just so strong. You either gonna be a part of destruction or you gonna leave and live the life I want you to live. And I walked away from a very, very bad life. And now I still have my times when I think bad, but not like I used to. And as I lay here this morning, I was thinking about what I was thinking about. So trivia, what you thinking about? What are you manifesting in your life? What is you manifesting? Everything is fine in my life right now. Things are fine. But things are not fine. Have you ever felt like you don't supposed to live how you're living? You don't supposed to drive how you're driving. You don't supposed to dress how you're dressing. You don't supposed to speak the way you speak. Like you supposed to be doing something else. You supposed to be in a different position in your life. Have you ever felt that way? That's what I'm going through right now. I'm feeling like I supposed to be doing something else that would be great. And not great for me, great for other people. I feel like it's something that I'm supposed to be doing to help people get closer to God, but I'm not doing it. I'm supposed to be doing that every day, every time I breathe, and I breathe every day. I've been breathing every day up until today. Now, if I don't breathe tomorrow, I'm going to be gone. But today, I'm breathing. I'm supposed to be focused on helping somebody else. Not only that, I'm supposed to be focused on my temple, my mind, my body, and my soul. I have been focusing on my body. I've been doing that thing. My mind. I have to strengthen my mind to get to where God wants me to go because other things are fine naturally. Spiritually, I'm struggling. I'm struggling. I'm dying. It's time for me to elevate spiritually. Mind, body, and soul. My soul is hungry. And I sat there and thought all this morning. I figured all this out this morning. So I was like, Trivia, what you thinking about? How do you get to the place that you vision for yourself? How do you get them? First thing I'm going to do is my affirmations. I'm going to start back consistently with that. I'm going to do me a dream board and I'm going to put it on this wall. I can't turn the camera around because it's going to go off. But I'm going to put my dream board on this wall. My positive thinking, I'm about to bring it to reality. And I'm going to manifest everything that my heart desire. And I'm going to become stronger spiritually. That's all. That's what I thought about this morning. So my question to you is, what is you thinking about? Are you allowing yourself to think you out of your destiny? You have to figure that out because it's important. It's important to your job. It's important to your financial stability. It's important to your health. It's vitally important. Are you speaking negatively about yourself? Oh, I'm fat. Oh, I'm ugly. Oh, I'm not good enough. Oh, no one will never love me. Oh, I can't get that job. Oh, I can't buy that house. Oh, I never have enough money to do this. Oh, I don't have this. Oh, my kids don't have that. I'm not satisfied with my hats falling out on the edge. It's like, what is you thinking about? You have to think about what you're thinking about and control your thinking. Because if you don't, Satan gonna come and take everything from you. And it starts in your mind. Your mind is the most powerful thing that you have. One of the most powerful things that you have. And if you don't get control of it, he's going to take it. He's going to take it. He tries so hard to take my mind from me. I have been struggling to regain the strength of my mind for many years. I always tell people this is a forever healing situation for me. I'm not 100% healed. Nobody. I have not met a person that can say that they are 100% healed. Maybe in one area, but when you heal in that area is another one. We're gonna be doing this to the day Jesus call us. We will be doing this to the day God call us. We are forever healing from something. Something. We have to get control of our mind. We have to get control of our thinking. It is so important, y'all. And I stress this so much in so many different videos, but I'm assuming that this is really important. We have to get control of our thinking. What are you thinking about? If you could think about what you're thinking about, you can understand why your life is the way it is. Period. Because if you're thinking about nothing but negative stuff, you manifesting that in your life. It's continuously circling around you. If you're thinking about a little negative and a little positive, you got a little mixture of both, a little balanced out, you got them both. You can figure out your life by what you're thinking about and what's surrounding you. What are you allowing in your spirit? What is you listening to? Who you talking to? What music you listening to? What you watching on TV? What type of friends do you have? What is they speaking on? What is they doing with their life? You got to think about what you're thinking about. And think about those things too, because it's so important. I can't stress this enough. But I am so excited, y'all. I'm like on fire this morning. On fire. Fire. I have to find out what sets my soul on fire. That's what you got to do. You got to think about what you're thinking about. And then think, what sets my soul on fire? What is it that you do that sets your soul on fire? I ain't talking about a happiness. This ain't got nothing to do with happiness. Happiness is something that you have within you. You have to create that. Just like with your thinking. You control your think. If you can control your thinking, you can control your happiness. It's something that needs to be maintained. Not that. It's something that you supposed to do here on earth that will set your soul on fire. It will make you feel like a human. It will make you feel, I don't even know a name for it. I don't know a word for what it is. I've tapped into that several times, but not to its capacity. And I'm looking for it. I'm coming for it. I'm finna start dreaming about it. I'm finna start thinking about it. I want to do what sets my soul on fire. But the only way is I have to control my thinking and my emotions. Period poo. I don't know where I get that period poo from. But you guys enjoy y'all Saturday, which I know this video not gonna post until Sunday because it's taking so long to upload. I am so close to 1,000 subscribers, y'all. Thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. Thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. A lot of people have been following me since forever, like since I started this channel, and I just want to thank you guys and thank everybody for subscribing. And please share my videos. Share your if you have Facebook, or if you have someone to share it, your favorite video that I have, please share it this weekend. Share it to your page. I need 60 more subscribers to reach my 1,000 so that I can get it cracking, y'all. I can be at my 1,000 subscribers so that I can start getting paid, right? Yeah, I'm excited about that too. I'm excited for that to be another stream of my income. That's important too. So you have to think about what you're thinking about. See, I'm thinking about creating some things. But yeah, like, subscribe, and share your favorite video, please, y'all. And do not forget, smile at somebody today. Call somebody you have not called or talk to in a very long time and tell them that you love them. See how they doing, check on them. Mental health is important. A lot of people are struggling on a day-to-day basis and they do not know how to say, I'm struggling. I don't care how much money they make. I don't care what type of job they have. I don't care what type of car they drive. I don't care who you think they is, or who they are to you, or how you envision them. A lot of people struggling in silence, y'all. And the only way for them to feel better is if people around them love on them. Love on them and show them how to control their thinking. By the how you control your thinking is important, y'all. It's so important. Mental health is so important, y'all. I don't know how many times I'm gonna stress that it is so important. You just never know who's struggling. It could be your wife. It can be anybody struggling. Kids struggle from depression and mental issues. You know what I mean? So just check on your people. We can check y'all. Check on y'all people. Bye.